Hi everybody and welcome back to A Rallye is Reborn. It's been a long time, it's been 7 months, but today I'm getting back to the project. Reason for the long delay is in January I put on my last YouTube video and a couple of days later my son was born, and it was a little bit early as expected and didn't give me time to prepare any more videos. And the last half year, 7 months, I've taken the most of the time to do normal work and also to enjoy being a father and getting used to everything, because boy, that's a project. Good, back to the car. Engine is still in. Hopefully today engine will be out. So I'll give you a quick tour around what I've done so far. I've been managing to grab a few minutes every night to do some little things, but didn't make any videos of that. Did make some time lapses, so I'll show you later on. What has been done so far, I'll run you around the car. Good. Well, as you can see, the carpet is out. I took that out a little while ago. Also, I got a roof liner from someone who was taking apart a 106 for parts. So he gave me the wing mirrors and also the roof liner and some other small parts which are very helpful. I managed to take the tank out, the fuel tank, and also I've taken out the anti-roll bar. It's there waiting for a cleanup and a paint job. In the previous video I said I would make a video within 1 or 2 weeks, hopefully. Well, I kind of jinxed that, I think. But let's get started on getting this hump out. Finally, engine's loose, but it's not yet out. Quite. What I'm gonna do is hoist the engine up or lift the engine up so I can drive the engine out. I'll still need about 30-40 centimeters to get it further up and get it under that cross member. Top tip from me, if you want to do it this way, remove the exhaust manifold first. That will give you more room to wiggle the engine about. And well, furthermore, I'll probably need a new jack because it lifts, but it doesn't lower. Only when the pressure is taken off, then it goes down. So probably it was a cheap one. Cheap is bad. Get good materials, people. Furthermore, I will start lifting the engine further out, or lifting the car over it, and then we can put it in a engine mount. I've got it right here, just outside of camera, I think. It's wide angle, but not wide enough, I think. And then I can start removing all the bits like power, brake, servo. And then the car is off to the repair shop. The guy said he's gonna pull the car straight again. And when that's done, I can take the car back into the garage and start working on all the welding work and rust repairs. And then let's see where we go from here. Well, as you can see, the engine is out. And I thought I would lift the whole car up and roll the engine out. But my girlfriend walked by and said, why don't you take out that cross member over there? It only has a few spot welds and well, a few minutes of drilling and it should come out. Well, those minutes of drilling took a little longer, but lo and behold, it was out. Right now, I've got some holes in here where the spot welds were, and I've drilled them through and through, which wasn't the official way, but yeah, if you don't have the correct drill bits in-house, you have to make do with what you have. So I've drilled them through and through. I'm now going to work on getting that cross member fixed so that it's completely flat again. All the holes will be filled, and then I'm going to spot weld it back in again. And after that, the structure is sound again, and we should be able to bring, or at least make an appointment with the guy who's gonna straighten up the front part, which is a bit crooked. So yeah, in the meantime, I've been doing a little few things. I've been checking here how the mastic sealing was here with the welds. That all has to come out because I found a manual to prepare a car for rally driving. Although I'm not going to fit a roll cage in here, I'm going to do some structural improvements, making everything a bit more solid. So a lot of new welds will be placed. It has a lot of spot welds and those will be completely filled up. 60 millimeters free space, 3 millimeters of weld, and so on, to make a more solid construction. All right, well, let's start up the welding machine and get that cross member fixed again.